Sri Neelachal Seva Sangh, has formed an imitation of Sri Jagannath in Delhi. It is not only the Odia immigrant living in Delhi, but also has created the traditions and culture of the Puri Shri Mandir in the intelligence of the Odias coming to Delhi. From the green park of Arvind Marg, the main thoroughfare in South Delhi, to the village of Oj Khas through the Arvind Market, on the side of the road, you can see the magnificent Sri Jagannath Temple, the heart center of the Odias. Its unique functionality is beautiful for an exclusive establishment of Delhi. There are temples with the side deities of Ma Mahalakshmi, Ma Bimla, the revered Sri Ganesh, Sri Mahadev, and Ma Tarini as the Shakti Pitha. Due to the rituals of the Puri Shri Mandir, the temple celebrates various festivals every year. Every year, the new year comes, the old year goes away, the new year is welcomed, and some of the unforgettable smoothies of the old year are engraved in our intellect. In this video, let's take a look at some of the celebrations of the festival, which took place in 2020, in compliance with the COVID guidelines at the temple, which was run by Sri Neelachal Seva Sangh, in compliance with the COVID guidelines last year. As in previous years, the 43rd anniversary of the Neelachal Seva Sangh was celebrated with devotion and reverence on the 5th day of the month of Magh Shukal Paksha on the 5th day of January and on the 30th day of January with the worship of Vidyadatri Devi Saraswati. Some of the temple's key officials were present at the ceremony. As every year, the fire festival in front of the temple was celebrated with enthusiasm by the Sri Neelachal Seva Sangh last year. It was attended by a large number of Odia expatriates, as well as key temple officials. On the night of February 21st last year, according to the Holy Mahashivratri celebrations, devotional rituals and ceremonies, the Neelachal Seva Sangh celebrated the Shiva temple at the temple premises and the Mahadeep rose late at night, while the Shiva devotees woke up in the temple fence and sat down. On the occasion of the English New Year, a special cultural program was organized by the Delhi Sri Neelachal Seva Sangha in the evening, and the devotees remembered and visited the idols and begged for mercy.
Chulang Busun Ding Siraha Sankhang Sangdating Karestrinanam Sarvangavu Sabrutam Nila Smadyatima Sevada Sakang Seve Mahakalikang.
In view of the horrors of the epidemic, and in compliance with the COVID guidelines, only the rules and regulations were followed, and the distributed of Pana to the public, while the Chaiti festival was celebrated at the Ma Bimla and Ma Tarini temples in the vicinity of the Sri Jagannath temple. According to the rules and traditions, the COVID guidelines were observed on the premises of the temple on April 26 last year, and the traditional chariotwood worship was held on the occasion of Akshaya Tritiya. The Sri Jagannath Temple, established at the Hauz Khas in the national capital, Delhi, has been celebrating the Rath Yatra since 1979 on behalf of the Sri Neelachal Seva Sangha at the Sri Jagannath Temple in the national capital, Delhi. And due to the COVID cuts, the procession was held without devotees, which made history for the Sri Jagannath culture and the Sri Neelachal Seva Sangha. the rules and traditions were preserved, and in a small chariot, the chariots were brought to the temple, and the chariots were pulled out of the temple. The secretary of the temple, Rabindra Pradhan, performed the Chhera Pahara policy. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan adhered to the COVID guidelines and attended, while some key temple officials attended. According to the traditional rituals of the Shunabesho of the Holy Bahuda and Shri Vigraho, the observance was held on July 1st of last year at the Sri Jagannath temple in view of the COVID guidelines. The holy birth anniversary of Lord Krishna has been celebrated for 2 days with the Ashtaprahari Nam Yajna for 2 days, from August 11th of last year in view of the corona epidemic, and following the government's guidelines. While maintaining social distance due to the corona epidemic, and following government guidelines, some of the expatriate Odia cultural organizations in the metropolitan Delhi have silently worshipped the venerable Sri Ganesha, while the same has also worshipped by the Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh. He presented wreaths by maintaining masks and social distance. Rabindra Pradhan, editor of the temple, and other key officials were present at there. The last holy month of Kartik was celebrated on the 26th of November at the Sri Jagannath temple in Hauz Khas, which has a special status in the Delhi Metropolitan Corporation and is run by Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh. Some of the special steps were taken by the temple according to the COVID guidelines for this beautiful vision, which was held 25 years later. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan attended the function while maintaining a social distance and wearing a mask, while Temple Secretary Rabindra Pradhan and other senior members of the temple committee attended the function. The Kartik Purnima festival is celebrated with reverence and devotion at the temple on behalf of Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh by observing the rules and traditions as in previous years and following the guidelines of the government. While in the national capital Delhi, the art, culture, heritage and art of Kalinga are celebrated in the national capital. A symbolic Boy to Bondhano festival was held at the fountain in the vicinity of the temple to mark the occasion. Mrs. Mridula Thakur Pradhan, the wife of Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, attended the function and spoke about the maritime relations of Utkar's past.
जन्माष्टमी होची कौन सी पूजा हो सेगुड़ी आज पूजा होची कार्तिक पूर्णिमा रास पूर्णिमा आदि व्रत रखिया सबू व्रतधारी मैंने आज उद्यापन करती एवं देवालय जाई दर्शन करता ठाकुर दर्शन करती केवल चलनीय दृष्टि सामाजिक दृष्टि कार्तिक पूर्णिमा गुरुत्व नुहे आज उत्कल नौवाण्य या सहित जड़ित पूरा जड़ित आज श्री नीलाचल सेवा संघ तृतीय वर्ष ये उत्सव पालन कर
जेहेतु आप कहे नीलाचल सेवा संघ यहाँ तृतीय थर पालन कले भी मत लगुच भी यहाँ तृतीय थर ये आसिके यही कार्यक्रम रे जोगदेली आ बहुत खुशी लगुच जे उड़ीसा बाहर भी जो भाई बंधु माने अच्छा भाई भौणी माने अच्छा जो उड़िया लोक अच्छा अन्य अन्य लोक मैंने उड़ीसा संस्कृति को जानापी एठिकार आमर नीलाचल सेवा संघ सब प्रचेष्टार अच्छी और से प्रचेष्टा सी गोटे माने सबू पर्व को से रथ यात्रा हो सी नागार्जुन बेस थिला 3-4 दिन तले सेटा हो आज कार्तिक पूर्णिमा अच्छी कार्तिक मासर गोटे विशेष महत्व अच्छी मास 12 मास भितर कार्तिक मास हेले सबुठू धार्मिक मास माना जाए और ओडिशा रे तो कार्तिक मासर आहुरी विशेष महत्व अच्छी तापर आज कार्तिक मास सहित आज जो पर्व कार्तिक पूर्णिमा जोड़ा मैरीटाइम ट्रेड जो वाणिज्य करुले आग काले तो बहुत एयरवेज नाला रास्ता घाट एत नाला तो ओडिया लोक मैंने जो वाणिज्य करने को बाली जकार्ता एडे जाऊले से सबू महानदी रूट रे तांकर डंगा नहीं के जाऊले एटा समुद्र रास्ता रे जाऊले बेत नहीं के ही जाऊले तो मैरीटाइम ट्रेड आज आरंभ होता जर्नीटा तो सेटा को शुभेच्छा दवापाई आज पर्वटा को आहरी धूमधाम रे से जो वाणिज्य करने भाई मैंने जो जाऊे से तंकर लंबा समय खाद्य धरिके तंकर घर लोक मैंने सी अफ करने आसिके दीप जल के जो आम हिंदू संस्कृति अनुसार जो विदाय करला बेलू जो नियम करा जाए सेटा करुले सेटा आज भी सिंबॉलिक आकार रे हो आम एटा गोटे छोट पॉन्ड रे हो पछे एटा को सिंबॉलिक आकार रे करा हैला और बहुत भलो लगुची नुआ जनरेशन एटा को आहरी जानिबा दरकार आमे माने भी आमर दायित्व अच्छी आम घरे जाइए आम छुआ पिला मानक बुझेबा दरकार जे यार कौन महत्व थिला और ए डंगाटा कौन पाई आज पूजा करिकने समुद्र की पानी रे कौन पाई छाड़ा जाए तार महत्वटा नुआ जनरेशन को जणाइबा दरकार अच्छी सेटारे आपन गणमाध्यम गुड़ा बेसी सहयोग करें आप चैनल थ्रू रे सब ये आज पर्वर विशेष महत्व समस्त को जणाइबा दरकार। धन्यवाद।
Rabindra Pradhan, the temple secretary, was accompanied by some key officials. The last day of the holy month of Kartik Panchakin Molo Tithi of 26th of November, the rare Nagarjun of Sri Vigraha was held at the Sri Jagannath Temple in Hauz Khas, which has a special status in the Delhi Metropolitan Corporation and is run by Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh. Some of the special steps were taken by the temple, according to the COVID guidelines for this beautiful vision, which was held 25 years later. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan attended the function while maintaining a social distance while wearing a mask, while Temple Secretary Rabindra Pradhan and other senior members of the temple committee attended the function. The Dev Diwali festival, which is held on the 14th day of the month of Krishna Paksha for the ancestors, Pitru Purush, in the Shraddha of Mahaprabhu, has been celebrated for 3 days on December 13th, 14 and 15, at Sri Nilachal Seva Sangha at Sri Sri Jagannath Temple in Delhi. The deities were dressed in white and after the evening incense, the procession of mourning was performed by the three Thakurs, and the ritual of lighting the lamp for the ancestors. In addition, during the corona epidemic and during the lockdown, Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh faced financial difficulties, but the priests working in the temple strengthened their morale by helping all the workers to support their families. Yajna and Bhagvat were held twice a month. In pandemic situation of corona, it was widely known for the cooking and dry food distribution during the lockdown to the helpless poor people, from the police force as a warrior. And last year, this is the most important step of Nilachal Seva Sangh. Visitors from Odisha to Delhi on various occasions came to Delhi and detained at the Jagannath Temple due to lockdowns and train closures. Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh had arranged for them to stay and meals for several months. It came to the forefront of the discussion for this great work by extending a helping hand to them. In this regard, Sri Nilachal Seva Sangh wishes you a Happy New Year 2021. Testimony and report by our senior journalist, LNB Borta, Sigma Media Lab, New Delhi.